to my YouTube channel. It's Meet Kay. And
I'm Karen.
Okay, she's my sister. She will be my guest for today's video. It's been a while since I uploaded my last video, but anyway.
What was your last video?
It was the makeup look. Everyday makeup look. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not a makeup girl anyway, but yeah. Okay, so as I've said, this video, halata naman sa title below, it will be speed eating challenge. Since wala kaming budget at pinakamalapit lang sa amin ay ang McDonald's. We bought something.
Tacos, ano?
Yeah, but I don't really like tacos. So we bought something from McDonald's. Actually, it's a menu that we bought. Pareho kami nang binili. And yeah, so kung sinong mauna, kung sinong unang makaubos, obviously siya yung panalo. And kung sinong matalo dito,
manlilibre sa Burger and Lobster.
So ang matalo dito is manlilibre.
Either dinner
or
lunch.
And then choice ng mananalo.
Yeah,
kung saan
manlilibre.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. So walang limit ng money dito.
Meron naman. Siyempre yung, grabe ka naman.
Hanggang 50 pounds.
Girl, I'm gonna win this shit, okay?
I don't think so because kita niyo naman sa
And ako din, mas marami pa kang lagayan.
Feeling ko mas mananalo ako dito dahil, bitch, this is my game. Excuse me.
Not really.
Okay,
Yeah,
so what we have today is, did you order the same?
Yeah.
Okay, so we ordered chili wrap. Chicken, yeah. It's a chili crispy chicken wrap from McDonald's. It's a menu.
I think
so,
sweet chili yung sauce.
Yeah, whatever. It's the same one. And then we bought nuggets. So, tatlo lang. Tatlo lang. 6. So, tatlo lang kami. This is easy, man. And then some fries, same size din, and
eto din ba? Raised din?
Yes. So raised din pati yung drink.
Hindi ba magkakasakit pa gano'n na?
Hindi. So
sugar
drink is at the end. Okay. I don't care. We get sick.
Okay, fine.
Round 1, we'll start with the nuggets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayan, tatlo
Nuggets.
I'm so waiting for this kasi I didn't have
cheers
lunch.
Tayo.
And breakfast. 1, 2, 3, go. Dapat wala ah.
Open mouth ah.
Makikita mo later kung sinong palalap. So, next one is fries. Nag-medium fries kami.
Fries!
Meal lang yung in-order namin actually.
Thank you, McDonald's.
Kasi pagka mag-order ng another one,
laging fresh yung
wanted,
ano nyo.
I wanted to order sa KFC sana kaso it will take a little bit longer. Although, nasa kanto lang sila. Ganun kasi
My
talaga
cup
yung mga...
is Uniqlo Philippines. I'll win this.
I'll win this one.
Okay, so cheers tayo. Kailangan cheers tayo kada subo ah. Dito ka!
Mayroon ako!
Dito ka!
Yo, jag vill äta på hår. What's wrong? Oh my god, I'm gonna win this again.
Ano again? Ako nanalo kanina, no?
Ako kaya. See, I'm winning because I didn't eat.
It's just... It's... Anong sense? Anong palit?
So I'm very hungry.
It is the matter of, you know, swallowing it. The faster you swallow, the more chances of winning. Kinumuya mo ba? Lunok ka lang ng lunok na.
Pag nag-call in si
Okay.
customer, this is the reason why.
Pasensya na pala kayo sa mga tawa namin kasi para kaming I noticed actually mga friends din namin minsan sabi yung mga tawa namin parang mangkukulam. So apologies, this is how we laugh.
Mag-aabot din lang. That's lamok, by the way. Walang kaya gapa pa kahit yung buke.
Tatakpan ko nga. Nakakapagod. Pero you know, pag pupunta ako sa McDonald's o kaya may bilang sa Burger King, I barely finish a menu, a meal, a whole meal.
Shut up, you lost.
I barely, not all the time. Baka naman,
Wala lang, guys. You keep on talking.
kasi hindi ko manguya.
Ha?
Gusto talaga.
Pacho, aabutin ko dito.
Okay, talo na ako. I give up. Yung drinks pala, we forgot. May drinks din. So, hindi pa namin siya nababawasan. I almost make bawas. But,
Ooh, I'm gonna
yeah,
have my
pang ano din siya.
dinner.
Unahan kami makauba. So, are you ready for the next round?
Are you ready to lose again?
Oh, this one I'm gonna win because I like this wrap a lot. This is my favorite out of all the wraps that they do at McDonald's here.
Oh, did you open this?
I don't think they have this in the Philippines, but
No, they
yeah,
don't.
this is
They
really
don't
nice.
do wraps, I think.
Spicy wrap.
Except
I love spicy food, so. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Cheers.
Ala, parang na-stuck yung cucumber. Ala. Ala. Ano ko na?
Nakakasamit. Nababara.
Ala.
I told you. Madaya ah. So, and you know, lately, kaming dalawa na lang ni Karen na laging lumalabas, food trip. This is the thing that we like to do together. Food trip. Especially when she's with me, she cannot resist.
Oh, God. Actually, our dad doesn't know that we're doing this and what we're eating.
It's just next door.
Because usually when we're at home, we're not allowed to order food because may pagkain naman sa bahay. But bakit ba order? Extra gastos.
As most Filipino parents are like, if you're at home, why are you gonna spend money ordering outside if there's food. But the thing here, in this household, nobody likes to cook a lot, so yeah. It's either we open canned good food or we order something. Nalulungkot na ako.
Bakit? So you better win this shit. Otherwise, 3-1.
I will win this anyway, even though I'm not a big first drinker. I won. She still has a little bit of tortilla. And dito naman sa sa drink ay may twist tayo. So we will use this.
Ano nga yan?
Anong tawag dito? This.
Is it even clean?
Yeah, I just
Pantay
washed it.
ba?
Yeah, it's all the same size. Okay. This is actually from my Speak Out challenge thingy na nabili ko before. I haven't even done the proper Speak Out challenge, but anyway, I'm gonna use this for this challenge.
Kidding.
So kailangan naming inumin from the straw yung drink with
you hold this with your mouth or no? Nasa
like
labas
this.
ng mouth.
Okay, so are you ready?
Hala, yun lang ko.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Tayo na.
I think. I'm glad. Game na.
Eat lang. Excited ka?
Nakak. Ano yun? Dali na, game na. There you go. Challenge na rin to, ha?
Tsura niyo,
I need another tissue. I'm so sorry, guys.
At sa punto po nito, kami ay babalik sa normal speed drinking challenge dahil sa kadahilan ng hindi na kinaya ng aking guest ang kanyang paglalaway.
Wala na tong video na to. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry.
Ay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Kailangan pati ice ubos.
Walang ice na. I won.
Konti pa.
I won.
I won din.
Andyan na po nagtatapos ang aming
And I won. It's a tie, bitch.
No, I won.
I won twice.
I won the first
round.
video.
No.
Ano pala sa video na to, sa challenge na to, ay, again, as we said at the beginning of this video, ay manlilibre sa choice of restaurant or
Lobster.
place ng taong
Oh,
nanalo. And yes, we hope you like this video at nag-enjoy kayo dahil nag-enjoy kami sa video na to. And we'll see you again
Sa next challenge, na ako uli yung mananalo doon. Kahit...
Bye!